Good day, traders. This is Rick for your futures trading coach. After market update for the live trading alert call room. Today's Wednesday, December 4th. Is the recap for. I'm actually doing this Thursday morning. This is for yesterday's recap. And the reason why I waited to do the video is because I had done something that I don't normally do. I made a call, and I really didn't make the call for this purpose of thinking people were going to take it, because I didn't really know. I mean, they could have, but I didn't really know when it was going to trigger. The purpose was to we were talking about the methodology and what the market should do. Now let's start out with what we did do earlier in the morning. We had a long opportunity here. We did not take it because we were looking for a little bit better of a price. I said that they may not pull back that far, but I really wanted a better price in order to take this, just because it was right at the open here. And we didn't get in. So when it came up here, recognized a couple levels up here, and we shorted off 17. It was good for about 3.5 points. Great trade. And that was our playground trade. And then when it tried to come back down again, we had an RS. And that trade, we were averaged in right in the middle here, and I just told everybody, we were expecting it to go almost literally on the candle we got in, or the next candle. When it didn't go, we had what was called the ZL coming in, and we were coming into the end of the morning. This was 12 o'clock right here. Told everybody that this is just going to bounce around. If it doesn't go, I don't want to be involved with it anymore. So we didn't really make any money on that. This is anywhere from, a break even, make a tick, couple ticks, lose a couple ticks, depending on where people got out. But it certainly was not a big stop at all. Again, like I said, some people said they got out of break even. Some people said they lost a couple ticks. Some people said they made a couple ticks. You'll see here it bounced around here we were well out of it by this candle. This was the last candle here. I wanted it to push down. Said if you're not out there when this comes down here again one more time, just get your butt out of the trade. That's what we did, and it didn't go anywhere. I mean, once it went up here, we were stuck sideways, and we talked about this. We still thought that might happen. We were looking for upper targets. We wanted to see what happened. Once we got a potential trigger here, when it came back down, we were looking for more. It didn't go, but I did tell everybody they wanted to get into the 30s. We just ran out of time. So what I told everybody was that, if it was actually in the NASDAQ into the 30s, I told everybody that if it didn't go, I made a call of 18 long, and I said that that's good for whenever. The next time it triggers 18, there would be no way that there wouldn't be a trade there. You could take it. Now again, I didn't know when it was going to trigger. We closed the room here. You'll see end of the day it almost got to 18, didn't get there. And again, I'm not expecting people to take these trades in the middle of the night, but we did get it this morning. Boom, right there. We got 18, made 15 to 20 ticks. And I told everybody until it got to the 30s, you can keep hitting the trade. It never got there. And then again, just a little while ago, a few hours ago, boom, I was not in yet, but we hit there, got into the 30s, did what it was supposed to do. From right here, 18, would have never been stopped out. Now again, some people said they were going to put an order there to take that, that have ATM strategies and things like that, even if it triggered overnight. I'm not expecting that most people did. The purpose of putting it on the video is to show people the power of the methodology, and that the market usually does what it's supposed to do, but doesn't always do it in the morning in a couple hour time window. So we're going to come back and do today's recap later on. We're going to open the room in a little bit. I'm going to get this video posted for you guys, and we'll see you back after the trading day today. Bye bye.